Hi folks, my name is Charles Xuan and I'm a storytelling sales coach. Welcome to another episode of Story Time. Better always cost more. That seems true in the beginning, doesn't it? So imagine you buy a pair of jeans from Pep versus spending more money and buying a pair of jeans from Woolies. Spending 5 hours preparing a presentation compared to spending 10 hours on a presentation. Now, I want to talk to you today about a new way of looking at your ROI, return on investments. And this is applicable to anybody. Doesn't matter if you're a business owner, if you're a leader, or you are just somebody that's striving to make things perfect. Now, I was introduced to this idea 2019 at the GLS, the Global Leadership Summit by Groeschel. And here's the idea. G.E.T.M.O, G.E.T.M.O. It stands for Good Enough to Move On. I'm going to share a personal story and how this has totally shifted my mind. I remember about 3 years ago, I got booked to do a talk for a client, and I was so excited because they were paying me a lot of money. And it was a 45 minutes talk, and I practiced and I practiced. And in total, I spent more than 40 hours trying to perfect it. And then I got to the point that I got so irritated with the content and even my own voice, I decided that's it. And when I heard Craig Groeschel talking about G.E.T.M.O, good enough to move on, I clicked instantly. Because the whole idea behind it is sometimes in the beginning, when you spend more time practicing, let's say 5 hours practicing the presentation, it gets better. 10 hours, it gets even better. But then the return and the quality doesn't increase as much. So by the time I got to 40 hours, it wasn't really getting that much better. So the point of this is, it's not about lowering the bar and doing a bare minimum just to get by. G.E.T.M.O applies when you are obsessing, when you are perfecting on trying to make something perfect. And it's impossible because we are imperfect beings. If you don't believe me, try to draw a straight line without using a ruler. Trying to draw a perfect circle without using a lid. See if that happens. It's not possible. So, what are you perfecting and obsessing over? Perhaps it's time to apply G.E.T.M.O. Folks, if you enjoyed the story, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't, fine, be like that. Till next time, ciao.